through, a lot of you, it looks like at least you've gotten this concept of subject complement down, which is great. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this idea and how does it apply to stories? Because over 70% of the Bible is narrative, is stories. So if you know how to find subject and complement in a story, you can probably figure out 70% of the Bible, which is good. It's a good thing. So, let's run through this. Alright. Here's the deal with the story, right? With every story, there's these three basic components, 99% of the time. There's some kind of tension, right? Some kind of conflict. The main character goes through some kind of struggle, whether externally, like some kind of enemy coming after him, or internally, right? Something battling inside the person. There's always some kind of climax or turning point in every story. And there's also a resolution, right? This is not rocket science. You guys pretty much know this intuitively anyway. The thing though is this, is how do you figure this point out? Because most of the time, if you can understand what the turning point is, that's where the main idea is in the story. That's where the subject complement comes from. Okay? So if you can figure that point out, you're a genius. And so, yeah, why not? We'll do this. Actually, we'll do this as a group. So, this is what we're going to do. Okay? We're going to take the next 15 minutes or so. We're going to look at a story. Okay? And then we're going to try to see where the main idea comes from. Some basic questions to ask. And again, these questions don't necessarily apply to every single story, but in most cases, if you figure parts of this out, it'll help you. First question is, who's the main character? Simple question, right? Simple to ask, not always simple to find. Second thing is, what significant change happens to him or her? Or, sometimes the question could even be, how does this person help change the situation? Okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at Acts chapter 20. You want to turn to that? Acts chapter 20, verse 1 to 12. You know what? I'm feeling lazy, so let's do this. Get in groups of 5, whichever groups you want. Okay? See where you can find the turning point. Read that passage. You've got 10 minutes. Read the passage. See what the turning point is, and we'll go from there. All right? So get in the groups of 5 or 6 or so. You got 5 minutes to do it. You got 10 minutes to do it.